Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back again with the XR8. We're still waiting for some parts, but in the meantime, let's fix up this front bumper. Now, like I said, we're still waiting for some parts to finish off the shaker kit to go on up there. We have got some interior parts to go, but today I thought, while I had a little bit of time, we'd work on this front lip and bumper. Now, this is an enamel spray job, which is it's pretty good all the way around, except for the front bumper. It's taken a bit of a beating. So I've been sick of looking at this since I've got it. So I'd figured I'd try and do some paint color match cans and actually see if we can fix up this lip, and then we can touch up the rest of the bumper, all waiting for when later on we're actually going to spray paint it properly and clear coat. But I want to make it look a little bit better in the meantime, because you can see it may have had a bit of incident and someone's had to like touch it up a bit there. And with that incident also came this. It's not sitting on the best, so we'll get that painted up, see if this color match actually works with this custom paint color we got, and then yeah, make it look a bit better. Let's get into it. So what I've picked up to work with is this primer filler acrylic. We've got some top coat, clear coat, and obviously we've had some mixed up. It took a while to find that, but they got they put the old spectrometer on there and got the color off that, so we'll see how that matches up. But yeah, basically we're gonna whip that front lip off, we'll sand it, we'll prime it, sand it again, put the top coat on, clear coat. So we'll get into whipping that off and getting straight into it. And while that stuff's all drying, we can get into this and do a bit of touch up. So it's the next day. It's had a day to dry up and I've mounted it up, and looks like we've got a pretty good difference. There you have it. Now I may have created a little bit more work for myself getting the kids to help out with the touch-up paint, but that's fine. But as you can see, much better finish along the bottom there, and now it's mounted, so it's actually gonna work. But yeah, pretty good. The color match actually worked out pretty well, because it was color matched off the back of the car there, so that's worked out good. We'll be able to use that coat again if we want to mix up and paint this whole bumper properly. But yeah, at least it's all one color now. Front lip looks good, and yeah, we've got the paint we need for when we want to go further. So that's it for today, just a quick one. Waiting on some parts to turn up. You can see we've got some tyres here, they've turned up. But yeah, we'll keep on going with the XR8. Got the shaker kit, got the dyno runs, we've got nice plenty of stuff to happen on it. So once again, thanks for watching, guys. Until the next one,
See you later.